From the point of view of the common man and other people, it might look like we are burning the midnight oil because it is too late. That is not correct. We must give dialogue opportunity and moving step by step. Unfortunately, sometimes it comes to where we are. Therefore, it is important to know actually there is a period which has not been exhausted according to the law, according to the courts, which is being abused in the process, which was going to lead to an amicable solution, hopefully to arrive at a document which can be registrable after consultation with the various agencies of government. And it is that consultation and period which is given which has been cut short to lead to where we are.
The CBA for the doctors was signed between the Ministry of Health and the doctors. The county governments were never involved. So it is now that we are all looking at it. As for a recognition agreement between the county governments and the doctors union, I would want to tell you that there isn't any. But that wasn't stopping us from actually, because of goodwill, from moving forward on this process. And the two of them could be done either retroactively or simultaneously.